if you see one of these on your newer style wash machine, it's because you have one of these, and that is a clean your washer kind of deal. Now they recommend that you clean your wash machine at least once a month just to get rid of scale buildup and everything in it. And Active has given us that way to be able to do it. Now this comes with 24 tablets, so you can let this last you a long time unless you've got dirty kids or dirty people in your house. Maybe that people that are plumbers or something, or some people that work outside that just needs, that gets clothes dirty and they need to get that machine cleaned a little bit better. So all you do, and you get in here, they even say thank you for choosing this. And you get out one little tablet. You open up your machine, you just toss the tablet in like that, shut it. Now, if you do not have a clean washer setting, then you just put it on a normal size with a full load. But since we already have the clean washer and it's came up, we just hold it and it automatically starts sensing and cleaning. Like I said, this is a 1-year supply, so you need to be cleaning a little bit more with these things. So as you can see, it's finally done. And check it out. It looks really clean. Now they tell you to get a rag and make sure that you wipe off anything or get hard stuff out of the inside that it breaks free. More of this that you'll find that if it's on the seals and stuff are on the front load washers instead of the top load. But it smells clean. And that's a thing that you want, because washing clothes, dirty clothes, after a while mold can build up and this gets rid of it. So if you are in need of a great product, and we have lots of them, then get you one of these.